This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix hidden photos not showing on iPhone. So here are some quick and easy steps to fix this problem. So the first solution is go to your settings, scroll down and tap on photos, enable shared albums and hidden album, then go to your photos app again, and then here you will get the hidden folder. And the second solution is restart your iPhone. Restarting your iPhone can fix this kind of issues. And if you're still not getting the hidden folder on your photos app, then try to use an alternative app. Go to App Store and you can download Google Photos. All you have to need, just install Google Photos on your iPhone and open it, and here you will get your iPhone photos including hidden photo. So that's how you can fix this problem. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.